How to create a Spotify Blends playlist. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Spotify on your device and log into your account. Then click on search at the bottom, which will open this page. Here, click on the search bar at the top, search blend. Then you'll find blend at the top. Click on it. You'll find all these options. Click on create or blend. Then invite friends to blend. Press on invite. And you can simply send the link to your friends as you want. After they join the blend, you will find it in your library at the bottom. Here, you will find your blend. And this is how to create a Spotify Blends playlist. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.